Today is October 25th of 2023, and Hazel had her first little puppy. It was a boy. We're looking for 6 to 7 puppies in this litter. She's having her puppies inside my second living room. I have a chart over here to document what time they're born, how much they weigh. We mark and label each puppy with this nonstick wrap, and we have calcium to give mom to help during the delivery, and we also have oxytocin, which we'll give her if her contractions stall. My vet is about 5 minutes away from us, and if we find that she's in any kind of distress, we will get her the help that she needs. But she is a great mom. Hi. Good girl. Already taking care of that baby really well. So Hazel and I are here at the vet. It is the 25th at 6 o'clock. We started to deliver puppies this morning around 8:45. We only have 4 puppies. If you recall, a few days ago we came in and did an x-ray, and there are 6 to 7 puppies that we're expecting. So we called our vet because it's been a few hours since we delivered one, and we headed over and we're going to get her and those babies some care. So I plan ahead for these situations, and I have a puppy incubator just in case we need it. That's going to keep the puppies warm while Hazel has a C-section if that's what we need. But right now we're just hanging out and seeing if we can naturally deliver a couple more of these puppies. Good morning. I'm here with Hazel and her 7 little golden doodle boys. Yesterday's delivery did not go exactly how we wanted it to go. After having 4 puppies naturally, Hazel just really kind of stopped having her contractions, and to maybe a beginner breeder, they may have thought that she was maybe just done having puppies. She was very calm and comfortable and taking care of her puppies and eating and drinking. But if you remember, we went a few days prior and had an x-ray taken, and so I knew that we had more than the 4 puppies, that we had 6, possibly 7 puppies that we were waiting for. So the last puppy that she delivered naturally happened around 2:15, maybe actually, I think it was 2:50, yesterday afternoon. So I called my vet around, I think it was 4:30, 5 o'clock, and let them know the situation that we were in. Another vet took a look at the x-ray again just to confirm that we definitely thought that there were more puppies, which they confirmed that for us again and had us come right in so that we could check the heartbeats of the puppies that were still remaining. So everybody had nice strong heartbeats, so Hazel and I hung out at the vet's office to see if she would end up delivering the puppies naturally after being given a couple of more injections of oxytocin. And that didn't happen, so we were lucky enough that our vet was there and that Dr. Lenhart did an emergency C-section for us. We were able to save the 3 little boys that were retained. So unfortunately, the Rochester area does not have a overnight pet ER, so we were super fortunate that our vet has extended hours and that they're open until 8 o'clock, so they're able to take care of us right at our vet's office. But even with that being said, Hazel was able to get the best possible care and a place that she's familiar with and comfortable with, and I was happy to be able to do that for her. She's giving us so much. But just so that people are aware, that is an expensive endeavor. So even last night at our local vet was a $2,000 surgery. So if you're going to breed your dog, you need to be prepared for those things. Again, you need to do all of the the work that leads up to that. A lot of people don't do those x-rays, and if I didn't do that x-ray prior to her delivery, I wouldn't have known that anything was wrong. I would have just thought that I had a small litter. So this is just a word of caution. You know, those are the things that can happen and that you need to be ready for, and that you need to be able to support your dogs through. Let's say that my vet wasn't open yesterday and I had to go to one of those emergency vets. C-sections for this size litter could, you know, exceed $7,000 to $8,000. So again, those are the risks that you take when you breed your dog.